What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forex Scott shooting this video because I wanted to share with you some of the updates that we have for our PET system. The PET system stands for the Perfect Entry Trading System. Now, of course, anything dealing with Forex, anything dealing with life isn't perfect. But with this system, with the proper education, the proper knowledge, you can find yourself catching perfect entries utilizing the system as long as you're utilizing it in the right fashion. So right now, I'm going to share with you some of the tools that we have. We've added a few things to the system. We're continuously trying to enhance the system, give it a little bit more juice. Our main goal is to teach the market, train our members, our students, and our community on how to become professional day traders. But during the process of learning, we also want to help them earn in the markets as well. So some of these tools that we have is just for confirmation purposes. I know it may look like a lot. Of course, we have a lot of indicators that we have within the system, but our main goal is to truly teach the market. Therefore, you can understand proper risk management. You can understand the fundamentals, the technical side of trading. Therefore, you can make a wise decision based off of the knowledge, the resources, and the tools that you have at your disposal. So our team, the Winning Circle team, we have access to our exclusive Perfect Entry Trading System. And with this system, we've added a few new tools. This tool right here is based off of a wedge pattern. As you can see, it created the actual wedge pattern in itself. Not only that, we have an assortment of signals that confirmed that this price may break out of this wedge pattern and go to the upside. And that's exactly what happened afterward. As you can see, it was going on a downtrend. The candles are red, therefore signifying you're in seller's territory. It created a wedge pattern. This wedge pattern is an indicator that we have. It automatically created the wedge pattern for you. Then it gave you the signal when we got a breakout. Not only did we get a breakout, price actually went above our money line. And as you can see, the candles actually turned blue. And when it turns blue, we know that we are now in buyer's territory. But I caught that trade earlier yesterday. Right now, I'm actually in a sale. As you can see, I have a small sale. I didn't want to get in a higher lot size due to the fact that the market was about to close. So I just went ahead and entered the sale. That way I can shoot this video based upon some of the other tools that we also have added inside of the PET system. The wedge indicator is one of the tools. We also have a pennant indicator. So it kind of gives you an outlook on some of the flag patterns that can be created within the market. Therefore, you can catch a breakout of that flag pattern. So the pennant indicator and the wedge indicator is something that we have now inside of our Perfect Entry Trading System. Right now, we're looking at a 15-minute chart. I'm going to go down to the 5-minute because we also have a divergence indicator that we've added as well. And this is one of the indicators that I utilize, and the confirmation that I saw in the market that we should go ahead and get in for a small sale, a small retracement due to that price was being overbought. So now that we saw divergence in the market, let me go ahead and pull this up so you can see. Not only do we have a divergence indicator, we also have a divergence dashboard. I'm going to share that with you in the next video. But we have a divergence in the market. Whenever you see divergence in the market, it shows that a reversal is soon to happen. Does it happen all of the time? Nothing in Forex trading or in life, again, is perfect. Nothing is 100% guaranteed. But small indications like this can give you an edge when it comes to trading in the market. So I did see volume going to the downside, which means that the volume was starting to come out of the market. We're currently in buyer's territory. Notice that the volume started to go down. But even as the volume started to go down, the value kept on going up. So whenever you see volume going down on your divergence indicator, but you see price still rising, that is a sign of divergence. And the indicator is going to point out the divergence for you. It drew this red line showing that volume was here, then it was here. volume was decreasing at this point, and at the same point when volume was here, and as volume was decreasing, the price was actually continuing to rise, which means we had divergence in the market. The market was overbought. We may soon see a reversal. Now, did I jump in right away? No, I did not. Even though I saw price was also reaching a resistance level drawn out by this gray box, which is automatically drawn out by our tool within the system. We also started getting multiple indications of a reversal coming. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signals of a reversal coming within these 2 candles. Within 10 minutes of time, we had reversal signals coming in. We also had another sell signal coming in here. But what I usually look for is to make sure that market structure is broken. So if we're going in a buyer's, we're in buyer's territory, I want to make sure if I'm going in for a sale, that I'm in seller's territory. So once price crossed over our money line, not only did it cross over the money line, it actually came up for 15 minutes and retested our money line. It never went back above the money line. It just retested the money line, and now the candle started to turn red. So that was an indication that we may be in seller's territory. We have other confirmations down here within our oscillators that we're going into seller's territory. So I went ahead and went in for a sale, and as you can see, I went directly into profit. No drawdown whatsoever. I believe within seconds, I was already in profit on this trade. So shout out to the pet system. Shout out to the team, the Winner Circle team. Shout out to our platform, Tradera. Our platform is under $100 to learn how to trade Forex, not only Forex, but you can trade all markets. And therefore, you can utilize the tools that we have available, the education and the resources. That way, you can find yourself on the right side of the trade at the right time. So if you are not plugged in, get in contact with me or anybody that's inside of the Winner Circle group. That way, you can get access to not only the powerful platform that we have, we also do live training sessions every single day. We also do live trade sessions every single day with successful six-figure traders. So you will not only be getting access to an amazing platform, you will also be getting access to amazing community and our amazing Winner Circle team of traders. But not only that, you will also get access to the perfect entry trading system for free. At one point in time, we were charging upwards up to $500 just for the pet system alone. So if you can get the system, the access to six-figure traders, live training sessions, live trade sessions, our study group, our study syllabus, and an educational platform for under $100, it is a win-win situation, and it is a go-to opportunity that you can take advantage of. That way, you can start earning while you learn. I've seen plenty of traders out there. They're still focusing in. They're still trying to learn the skill set. And I commend you. I congratulate you because you're well ahead of the pack. Once you understand the education, once you understand the language, nobody can ever take it from you. But there's still people out there that are struggling. I know that because I see it within the group. I see it within the communities and other platforms out there. People are still trying to find their way. They're still trying to find the golden goose. They're still trying to find the strategy that works for them, but they don't necessarily have the right leadership to get them where they deserve to be. So hopefully you make a decision that is going to change not only your life, but the life of your family, the life of your friends, and even the lives of strangers that you come across. Because once you get your hands on this platform, once you become accustomed to our strategies that we teach every single day, strategies coming from successful six-figure traders, other than myself included, you will have all of the tools, resources, and knowledge to increase your financial gains, but not only that, increase your knowledge and the level of value. Because once you get your hands on some of these tools that we have, once you get your hands on these strategies and you start getting the results that other people are getting inside of our group, you will become a very valuable person in any room that you walk in. So hopefully we see you inside of the Winner Circle group. If you're not a part of the Winner Circle group, we welcome you with open arms, not only in the Winner Circle group, but in our overall community of successful traders. Hopefully you have an amazing rest of 2020. Hopefully this economic reset and this pandemic is not putting you in a bad spot. I'm praying for you and your families, and hopefully we come out of this smoke better than ever. I see you guys in the next video.